Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to sync Image Playground with iCloud on Mac. So if you have started using Apple Image Playground to create AI generated images, you may want those creations to be available on your other Apple devices as well. By syncing Image Playground with iCloud, your supported Image Playground data can stay updated across your Apple devices using the same Apple account. This makes it easier to continue your work without having to create everything again and again in each devices. If you use Image Playground more than one Apple device, keeping this feature enabled can give you more consistent experience. And to enable it, first click on the Apple logo at the top left and then choose System Settings. Now click on your Apple account at the top and here go to iCloud. After that, click on See All button and then scroll a bit and find Image Playground and make sure you have enabled the toggle right to Image Playground, and finally click on Done, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.